What's going on, guys? It's your boy Easy RGH Mods here, and I'm going to be talking about KVs and kind of their purpose, and can we ever run out of KVs? So the first thing is what is a KV? Well, what a KV is, it's a file. It's about a 16 kilobyte file. That it determines whether you can go on to the Xbox 360 live services or not. If the KV is unbanned, as the term you might always hear, oh, is your KV unbanned, is it unshared? I'll talk all about that. So, the KV is probably the most asked question around the modding community is, do you have a KV? Blah blah blah. KVs will sell for around $7.50, $6, and all that. Now, what does unshared mean? Well, what unshared means is that nobody is using the KV with you. So let's say some guy has so let's just say some guy sells me the KV, and I'm the only one that is using it. Now if it's shared, that means there's more than one person having the same 16 kilobyte file on their hard drive or in their NAND at the same time, or not even at the same time. Maybe they can be watching Netflix the whole time, and they won't even get banned. Now, your KV life, what is a KV life? Well, your KV life is how long your KV is going to last. Your stealth can really determine how long it's going to last. If you're using Infernus, you're going to last about 45 minutes. If you're using Ninja's kind of, you can get banned in a day, or you can get banned in a week or two, maybe. 1 second. Give me some pop. So your KV life can really determine, the stealth can really determine how long it's going to take for you to get banned. Now, KV stealers, which used to be popular, like everyone would get banned with, everyone would get their KV stolen. XBLSE, or now known as Infernus, some people thought that it was a KV stealer because their KVs would get banned in about a couple hours. Well, that wasn't the case. It just sucked. And Infernus is even worse. Xenon is probably one of the best. It doesn't have any bypasses, but I'm not really going to get into stealth that much. That's in one of my first ever videos. So, yeah, your KV life can really, your stealth can really determine how long your KV is going to last. And KV stealers can, they could hold your KV, they start using your KV, you get banned in the next day or two. So yeah. Now, can we ever run out of KVs? And that answer will be no and yes. The amount of users that don't mod are greater than the users who do mod. And the users who don't mod will want a modded console. Or what will usually happen is, actually, let me just give you a different scenario. The amount of Xboxes that are broken, such as the Xenons and the Fats, and the Opus, and the Falcons and the Jaspers, are very high because of the Red Ring of Death. The thing is, what if those consoles are broken? What they can do is, they could swap on a new GPU, reflow it, reball it, fix a couple of tracers, and then they'll pull off the NAND dump. And then, they'll take the little Cool Runner Rev C, slap it on, solder up those wires, program it, write that ECC, and then they don't actually even, they won't actually even sell the console. I mean, they'll just pull off the NAND. I mean, sure, they might sell the console, but they just extracted the NAND. And then, what they'll do is they'll pull up another console, they'll take off that Cool Runner chip, they'll use it again on the next console. Boom, they extracted that. That's like, what, $14 right there, $15? They take another one, boom, another $21. You could literally go dumpster diving and you could find a couple Xboxes. You just have to have the right tools to reball it and stuff. And, I mean, those can cost thousands, but, I mean, you can make bank off of KVs. They do another console, $29, and if they get really greedy, they could, sell KVs for $9. 2 KVs, $18. Boom, there's $18. Someone buys a bundle of KVs. Who knows? They're about $100 richer off of what? Some things that unban your console. So yeah. One day we will run out of KVs. I don't think it's going to be anywhere in the future. Because of all the amount of consoles and Xboxes out there. Now, I'm not sure about the Xbox One. But something does determine that it does have a, that does have a KV because the console gets banned. And when they ban your console, they're actually just flagging the, that 16 kilobyte file. And they're just saying, okay, that code can no longer go on our servers. And, yeah. Now, you guys have probably done this, and people who have been so desperate for KVs, they probably went into Notepad, and they probably was looking at it. Oh, there's ones and zeros, 1 1 0 2. I'm not really gonna show you, but if you're gonna look at it, like, man, they're that desperate for a KV to try and edit it and unban it. I don't think that'll ever be possible to actually unban a KV. You can unban your console by just saying new KV, but to unban the KV, that's impossible. So yeah. Sorry guys, I'm just shrinking that skull pop again. So if you guys are ever gonna get into selling KVs, don't accept PayPal, because I had this once, a guy named Coffee Lobbies bought a KV with PayPal. He paid me like, what, $9? Boom, he just disputed it, and there he just took the KV. Well, he's an idiot, because number one, all I have to do is, well, this is what I actually did. I don't really care. This happened like, what, 3 months ago? I even got the money back. But it's kind of a long story. But anyway, I just turned off, I just pulled out the stealth, and then I just instantly banned the KV. It might have lasted a day before I actually did that. And then he wanted to buy another KV, and I just said, okay, pay me Amazon, never gave him the KV. Because when you start disputing crap with me, well, you want to scam me, I want to scam you. Man, that's not really a good business pitch, but my dog is being I don't know what she's doing. But anyway, so yep. Sydney, no. So, don't ever take PayPal for KVs. It's not gonna be good. I recommend doing Bitcoin, Amazon. Don't take Microsoft points. But now, what some people will say is, what if I want to buy more KVs and they don't accept PayPal? Well, get a person to buy in a bundle and try to make a profit off of how much you bought the KVs for. You know, if you bought the KVs for, let's say, $6, sell them for $8 or $9, and each 2 KVs you just made, what, $4 profit? Like $5 maybe? $5. It's a crappy profit, but eh. But that's just how life goes. And so, yep, that's just about it. That's the talk about KVs. If you guys want to know more about KVs and how they work, I think you could probably just Google up how a KV works and stuff. I think probably the last thing that I'm gonna say is, and I just forgot it. Oh, flashing a KV. Now, KV stealers cannot take your KV off your NAND, because your NAND is like your bay. Because like I don't even think the NAND can be pulled off the console from like a KV steal. From like, I don't know. I don't recommend flashing your KV at all. I had one kid that did it, put his console, and I don't even know what he tried doing. Some kid said, "Oh, just flash your KV. Don't even put it on the hard drive." He put it right on the NAND. He tried doing this LDV key. I don't know what it's called. It's in JRun or something. And tried doing that. He ended up breaking his console. Sent it back. I couldn't even fix it because I kept on getting a red dot, and I think he opened the dang thing up and smashed it. But whatever. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'll be having more talks like this. I'll probably be putting up some gameplay, some GTA 5 gameplay for this. You guys are probably watching it, maybe some Black Ops 2. Listening to my sexy voice. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and have a great day.